those who died for king and country, 1914, 1919. There's 7th Ave and 124th Street graveyard we're at. Decided to take a little reading. So I smashed a hole through the fence there. So obviously lots of people want to disturb the dead. We're investigating it. Nothing to do. We're waiting for the Atlanta Club to open up. So we decided to come over here and record some stuff. See how that goes. Any energies, any sounds. Like a caretaker driving around. Nothing better to do. Walk. Or dead. Could have been dead in World War One or two, I think. Both. $19.30. Zeus on that. Walter L. Campbell. They're over there. McGill. 1932. 1869. The old side, that must be the new side over there. We'll try and disturb the dead and kick over the tombstones, break into things like that. Piss them right off. attacking people. You're pretty pissed off. Someone was disturbing you, aren't you? The freezers. That's Ukrainian. Gone out, so nobody's messing with the picture. Any sounds around here? Trying to get to 10 minutes so we can put her on TikTok and Instagram. See if we can hear any sounds. Those are birds. How many people remember Adam Fed? You have a lot of guts to do that? Got an Armstrong right here, Joseph Armstrong, 1941, Edmonton, Alberta. We've been around for a long time. With the Watsons, I've known a few Watsons. West, Edmonton, Sexton, Rooney, 2021. Everybody's got to die someday. Us. Complications of that are just complicated. So we'll get into that. We decide to go. We just go. Many times they try to kill us, still haven't taken us down. Don't nuts over me now. All the stuff on social media is definitely proof of something going down. Chinatown and beyond. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mercy.